Someone posted this picture of a no drone zone sign at the trailhead of a hike they'd been planning for weeks. They'd already checked their Airspace app before they left the house and gotten a clear to fly. So they drove out, hiked in, and walked straight into that sign. So why was it there, and what does it actually mean? Let's find out. So initially, when they opened an Airspace app, typed in the location, and got a green light, the app wasn't lying. It did exactly what it's built to do, which is tell you if the airspace above that spot is okay to fly in as far as the FAA is concerned. That means no restricted airspace, no TFR, and no airport authorization needed. But airspace and land are two completely different permission systems, and that's the part that trips people up. Flying a drone legally at a location means checking off two items: airspace and land. Item 1 is airspace, federal, FAA controlled, and exactly what your app is checking, what airspace class you're in, whether there's a TFR today, and whether you need LANs. Basically, can you be in the sky at that certain time? Item 2 is land. That's whoever owns or manages the ground you're taking off and landing from, a total separate authority from the FAA. National parks, state parks, city parks, and even private land all set their own rules, and sometimes that doesn't show up in your Airspace app. The easiest examples are city parks. A lot of city parks have different rules around operating a drone, and not all apps catch it. Now, there is a loophole where you could technically launch and land from outside the area and just fly over, but it can be hard to do legally. You still have to keep visual line of sight of the drone the entire flight. Also, rangers or other employees for the park might not agree with the actual loophole. The actual fix is to check your Airspace app first. That covers the FAA side, then go and find the land manager's actual rules. If it's a national park, assume no drones unless you find a written exception. For state and city parks, I'd recommend checking the Parks Department site or just calling and asking. And if you arrive and see a no drone zone sign but got clearance from an app to fly, trust the sign over the app every time. Because again, the app is usually not checking for that in the first place. Let us know in the comments if you've ever experienced this situation and how you dealt with it. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.